Hello, friends. So today let's talk about referencing styles. So I did a previous video on two commonly used referencing style, the Harvard and the Vancouver. Uh, Today I will focus on Harvard and reduced Harvard. Now, reduced Harvard is also a referencing style. And there are subtle differences there, and that is what I would like to demonstrate. So this is how it goes. So this is a reference citation of one of my publications, and this is in Harvard style referencing. Now I will try to do this in reduced Harvard referencing style. So this is how it goes. So Jamali. Now, there is no comma here. That's it. Your surname and the letter of your first name. And if you want to add your middle name as well, so that would be the first letter of your middle name then, comma. The same thing applies here. Now, there is no and in reduced Harvard. It is if you're now you are onto the last author sorry. Now this is the one. Now this is done. Then the title of the study, right? Full stop. Now the journal where this was published. Now this comes in italics, so this goes in italics. Now volume. Now volume doesn't go in italics, so you can remove that. However, this is in bold letter, so this is how it will come. So you can see the difference here. Now this is done. When it comes to page number, you don't put comma after the volume. This comes there, but then this is not highlighted. And then now you just straight away put the page number 89 to 96 and full stop. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a link as well to the website. So in reduced Harvard, you have to mention available from HTTP. This is how the reduced Harvard referencing style looks like. So as you can see, there are subtle differences. You just have to be mindful of the commas and the full stop and the colons, semicolons, and which letters have to be bold, in italics. So these are the things you need to be mindful of. So as you can see, there is a subtle difference there, and that is something which I wanted to share. Now, this is a general difference. In general, this can vary. So it is always important that you look at the individual requirements of the journal, because again, the reduced Harvard, or even Harvard for that matter, every journal they have a subtle separate criteria. So even look into their requirements in depth as well. There could be that there might be some slight modifications. But in general, this is what is a difference between Harvard and reduced Harvard. I hope this was useful, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.